guys, I'm Sully Jessica Wu, and I am at Chef Steph's Kitchen in Seattle, Washington. Let's make some lunch. Today I have Adam with, dun, 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 dun. You gotta do the wop for me.
Oh, Jesus.
Ready?
All right. Dance, monkey. Was that good?
Yeah.
Sick.
This is Adam. We met a year ago?
Yeah,
2 years ago. A year ago in Chicago, and we made a Korean corn cheese dog.
We did. That was very good.
It was very good. Today we're making Korean sweet potato pizza.
Yeah.
And he has a Korean grandma. So
I do.
Every time we do Korean stuff, he's legit.
Dude, straight up, am I honorary? Am I
Honorary
honorary?
Korean,
I get the
yeah.
badge. Can you Photoshop a badge right here? Yeah.
All right. We have some sweet potatoes.
Yeah, Korean sweet potatoes.
Korean sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
They're the best sweet potatoes.
They are. They're very tasty. Beautiful white flesh. And to start off, we got to
We're gonna peel them and chop them up.
look at that. That's the beautiful white flesh I was talking about. You guys laughed at me. Isn't it beautiful?
But when you cook them, it turns yellow.
Yeah, I know, but right now it's not.
So sweet potato pizza is super popular in Korea, and you can't really find it in America as much. And when you do, they're not as good. So I wanted to make it today with Adam. Adam's amazing at making pizzas.
Yeah, I love making pizza. I've never made this type of pizza before, so I'm really excited to try it. My grandma literally used to just she still does, she'll buy a bunch of these, steam them, and then keep them in a bowl with saran wrap over the top and just snack on them throughout the day.
Have you tried them with kimchi?
No, I haven't. I must. Do we have kimchi?
You have to try it
Yeah,
with
some
kimchi. Yeah, I'll have kimchi tomorrow.
Okay, sick. To be continued.
So yeah, one of my favorite snacks is to have steamed sweet potatoes with kimchi on the side. It's a little bit sweet and spicy, crunchy and soft at the same time. So good. So what have you been up to?
You know, just wandering around, bombing people's videos, eating delicious things, hanging with you.
Are
How about you?
Gonna get married to Jess?
Whoa, dude. Edit this out.
No.
Yeah. Of course, maybe. No, yeah, but that's TBD. We're going to episode 2.
Adam has a girlfriend named Jessica.
I do. Well, no, we're talking
She's
about
amazing.
you, I thought. Oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah,
awesome.
shout out
Jarb. Shout out Jarb.
Do you want kids?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah?
When I'm 50.
When you can't move?
Yeah, exactly, when I can't move. Do you want more kids?
I always say I do. I can't say no because I love kids and I love my kids, but it's a lot of work.
You can make this pizza for your kids.
Yeah,
If only they were here to munch.
I know.
Here, let me take all this. That's why we use the parchment. Look at that, so
Ta-da.
easy. And then we have the cutting board.
Perfect.
What do we do? Tell me what to do.
Rough chop.
You're my boss.
Rough chop these bad boys. We're gonna use smaller cubes for the toppings. We're also gonna make a puree out of these. And it'll make them cook faster in the steamer.
Cool. I like never steamed potatoes.
Really?
Yeah, I always just roast them. But I like them when they're steamed. I mean, where's the knife? Try. Whoa, I almost stuffed it.
Careful.
Let's measure that out there. I don't know, something like that. So we'll probably cut it somewhere like that.
What do you think?
Like that. And yeah, look at this
Little
little pretty
origami.
origami.
Perfect.
Yay.
Little trick at
Yeah.
home.
Swing.
Okay,
All
we're gonna
right.
throw these bad boys in here.
They do be bad. Beautiful San Marzano tomato puree. This is the easiest sauce ever, which is one of the reasons I love it, because you don't have to do much to it, because these can tight. Tight. So I grabbed this bowl to mix this sauce in. So you have some fresh garlic.
I do.
Okay, so all we're gonna do, this is literally salt, tomatoes, salt, olive oil, and garlic. That's it. So we need 1 clove of garlic.
More?
Let's get it slightly pureed a little bit so it kind of goes into the sauce.
Okay.
All right, sick. That's beautiful. Okay, so we have our 1 clove of garlic. We're just gonna put this whole can of tomato puree inside. Maybe a little bit of the salt, and we can taste that as we go. And then just olive oil. That's all you
Give it a
need.
whisk.
However much you think. You can do like that much. Very official amount.
Perfect.
Yep, and that's literally the sauce. That's the beauty of it. You can get crushed tomatoes. I went for the smoother stuff because we're gonna put it on the rim, right?
Yeah.
Your vision. I'm excited to see the vision.
No, we're gonna
come to
put
life.
this on the whole pizza.
Oh, okay.
The
okay.
rim job
Oh,
is
the rim
sweet
job.
potato.
Okay. There's this technique where you grab like 2 bowls. You have a bowl here and a bowl here, and you put it on top and you cut it down. But
No, I want to see that.
you do?
Yeah.
Okay. So you just put the corn right here, however you want to do it, and then you cut down
Perfect.
in.
And it catches all the corn.
You can see all that stuff that I missed. You can like milk the corn.
Ooh, milk the corn.
Yeah, so we're milking right now. Doing it like that, you kind of have your kernels with a little bit of this like puree. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Put some salt in there if you want.
It's gonna be a topping.
Ooh, a little red onion too.
Tiny dice.
Okay. Dice. Dice?
Tiny.
Oh, not julienne?
No,
Okay.
I
do you
want-
want,
I
do you
want
want a
tiny
dice?
dice.
Okay, tiny dice. Tiny dice.
Look at those knife skills, baby.
Is this too small?
No, that's perfect.
Okay.
It's just for a little bit of texture, but we
Yeah.
have the corn too.
Okay,
So.
sweet. Okay, so now this, our dairy, full fat mozzarella cheese. I like to grate my own cheese because like there are a lot of anti-caking agents on pre-shredded cheese that like it's fine, but it's not though, if you want, because it doesn't melt as nice like the pre-shredded stuff. Look at that. This means something. Is that not a thumbs up?
Yeah, thumbs up this video. Please.
Oh my God. We have our beautiful shredded mozz. That's more than enough.
Okay, now
can-
for the dough.
Yeah, let's work on the dough. This dough is an interesting dough because it's a low hydration dough. So it's gonna be a lot easier to work with. If done right, it's not gonna be dry when you cook it. And it's kind of gonna allow us to really shape the pizza how we want, give it some nice curls, and it's gonna turn out sort of nice and uniform. So it's a lot easier to work with than a wet dough. Pros and cons to both, but we won't get into that now. We'll just, we're gonna do all so the liquids first. This is some warm water. Just gonna plop that in. Swing. What do we got here? Let's do sugar, right? That's gonna help our yeast eat and fart out CO2. We're gonna do our red flour, higher protein than usual flour, stronger dough, stronger rise. Our yeast, and we should have done this earlier, but our olive oil. And now you're gonna take your little hand, Jessica, and you're gonna mix that just until it comes together a little bit. We're not gonna make a full thing yet, but it's gonna, just try to do your best to get all that flour kind of a little wet. Give it some nice squeezes. Give that a nice squeeze. Get your stress out.
I don't stress.
You actually don't. It's kind of weird.
I do stress. What do you mean?
I don't know. You're not that stressful in front of me.
No.
All right, that's good. So at this stage, we're gonna cover this up and let it sit for 20 minutes. It's called the auto lease. It's gonna give us a jump start in gluten development.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if they're ready. Ooh, perfect.
That be fork tender.
That be fork tender.
All right, so 20 minutes has passed. Our dough is auto leased. At this point, we're gonna add the salt, which would have otherwise inhibited gluten formation. So, in there.
That's why I have him.
Yeah, we're just gonna knead this by hand until it kind of turns into like a little ball. It's gonna be pretty easy, and you can just also say fook it, and we're just gonna knead. I'm just gonna knead until the flour comes together and this thing turns smooth and shiny. The cool thing about making pizza dough is that you really want to let it bulk ferment for at least 24 hours, and when you do that, you don't have to worry about developing gluten as much while you're kneading like we're doing here. So basically, I'm just gonna knead it until this turns nice and smooth and it starts to feel nice. I'm not gonna make sure it passes the window test or anything like that, because it won't. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna make it into a nice little ball, right like this. Just kind of make it look nice. Would you put a little bit of olive oil in here for me? Thank you.
More?
No, that should be fine. We just don't want it to stick in the cup is the only reason. So we're good. So once you have this little ball here, right? Doesn't have to be super developed like that. You can see it's not the most smooth, but all the doughs come together. We're gonna plop that in there. We're gonna put a lid on that, like this. Yeah, there you go. And you're gonna pop that in the fridge and let it sit for
24 hours.
I would say 18 to 24 hours, yeah, something like that. And when you're done, it looks like...
After 24 hours, it should look like this.
Yeah.
Look at these bad boys.
Yeah, this has been, I took this out of the fridge about an hour ago, and it's kind of had time to come to room temperature. I, balled it up, put it on a tray, and it's proofed and it looks like this. It's got a nice structure to it, where you can see this is our 60% dough. This one's a 75% dough that I made for fun to kind of show you the difference here. A little slouchier, a little puffier too to the it's gonna be a little more airy, you can just tell. Do one of these. Ooh, they look kind of nice.
They do.
All right. So we're gonna do our classic 60% dough. Okay. So in the blender, once for tender, let the pizza dough be splendid.
And then we're gonna save some for the toppings. Salt and water, just a little bit of water. And season with salt. We're gonna blend it up till smooth.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you for the 90th time because I'm a dumb guy. Pizza dough, sauce, dollops of puree, or you want the puree on top of the sauce?
Puree is gonna be right along
Just
the
pipes.
edge of the, yep.
Oh, I
Yep.
see. So we're gonna curl, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll the dough out,
Roll
we're gonna
the dough.
curl the sides
Yep.
up, and then you're gonna take that potato puree and put it along
Yep,
the sides, so
we're
it's like a
gonna
double
make it
crust
outline.
looking type thing.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. So I'm just kind of flipping it around, trying to keep it kind of semi. Right. And it's kind of like we just want to get it like kind of uniformly thick because we are going to curl these in.
Yeah,
So
I like them thick.
Yeah, I know, believe me. So I've heard.
I like thick pizza.
So yeah, so continue doing that for like a second. Go forward, then backward, forward, then backward. And then you could like kind of tilt it like 90 degrees. Yep.
Don't tell me what to do.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Because remember, we're gonna curl this thing down, so I do want it to be just a little
Bit bigger,
oversized.
yeah, because I want more than one slice.
Hundo P.
Ready?
I think so, yeah. So let's curl it. Let's curl it and try to make it look how we want it to look, right?
Okay.
So maybe like how thick do you want these things? This is your decision here.
These babies.
Like that?
Is that good?
So yeah, let's go around the rim, trying to keep it, do your best.
We should make it heart shaped.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Okay. You just can't not make anything not heart shaped.
No, I can't. There.
Sweet.
Puree in a piping bag. Thank you, sir. Look at this.
Got our puree.
That's ready. Let's get our sauce.
Doing a nice a little bit of flour on there. Weird stainless steel. And then we will make sure it moves around. This is a flimsy peel. All right, let's do this. We don't want too much, right?
Not too much.
Whoa, evil face.
Are you angry at me or something?
No, I love you. I don't know what you're talking
Are
about.
you angry at me for making you
For making you
out?
weigh out the damn dough.
I knew he was
No,
angry at me.
no,
He's
not
angry
at
me.
all.
Here, I'm just gonna light the outside. Line the outside.
What's it called in Korean?
It's called koguma pizza.
Okay.
Koguma is sweet potato.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, and it's so good. You have
Hell yeah.
this with a side of pickles and a beer.
Little banchan action.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so we're gonna cheese it up.
Cheese it up. Cheese it up. That's some nice full fat.
Lots of cheese.
Also, this will melt into this pizza here, so you don't want like that's probably good.
Okay.
Yeah. How many onions? Just
10.
Shut up.
Just 10 pieces, please.
Oui, chef.
And then you want to carefully place these so you get one in each bite.
All right, so we got it on. We're gonna pop it in the back and pull it. Pop it in. That's, what is it, 18 to 20 minutes?
18 to 20 minutes.
We'll check it in
at
18 minutes.
350. Let's see. Ooh. Look at that. Looks so
It's
good.
a lovely, what did you say?
It's a piece of my heart. Get it?
I get it. See a little parsley on there? Hit it. Yeah, boy. And a tiny bit of Earl
Yeah.
over the top.
All right, let's eat some lunch.
Heck yeah.
Oh, this? Hold on.
Ow.
I wasn't ready. Hot. So good. I need
That's
it.
legit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check that out. A little, it's very soft and tender. It's very light. There's not a lot of char on it.
It's bomb.
Yeah.
Get in here.
It's pretty hot, watch out. We got asbestos mouth. It's that,
That's really good.
it's that,
With the corn?
Corn and sweet potatoes.
I thought it was pineapple, not pineapple.
yeah.
Okay.
Glad you like it.
Good job, guys.
Thanks for making lunch with me.
It was my pleasure.
I'm so
Jessica.
excited we got to make this finally.
Yeah.
I've been begging him and bugging him to make this pizza exactly for like a year.
Yeah, but we finally did it, and it was dang tasty.
It was very good. You
Yeah,
can
dude.
follow Adam at Omnivorous Adam everywhere. TikTok, Instagram,
Yeah, all the
Snapchat,
things, all the
YouTube.
things.
I'm Sully Jessica everywhere.
That's right.
And stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks, guys.
Later.